Hey, it's me, your boy. It's 5 a.m. and we're going to Galaxy's Edge. That's Taylor. She's not important to this. It's based after Star Wars. I don't know if you heard of it. It's a movie from like the 80s. So we're going to the bus to see if the bus is there. And then we're gonna go build a lightsaber. It's literally 5:20 a.m. It doesn't open until 6. So we're gonna see what happens. Also, I'm at Disney. I don't know if that's relevant to this at all. So. Just stare right at the camera. When I become famous, this is what's gonna be known. Pilot for the second time, except this time I'm doing up and down. Taylor's gonna do left and right because I like crashed our ship 30 times.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Is that this one?
Yep. So we did better than last time. Last time we got like 24%. This time we got, I think, 43%. Like, I think we got 9,000 something credits, which is good. We still can't get the app to work, so I don't know how to add those credits or whatever to the data pad, but the park is technically closed, so we're gonna go see if the shops are open. Should I get my thing? Okay, so it's almost 7 now. I'm really sick if you can't tell. So we went on Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. That was the first thing we do. That was incredible. They said that Zabby's would be open and they didn't know if we could do walk-ins. I had a reservation for tomorrow, but I just wanted to get it done today. And then we went and they let us in. So we're waiting to go in. Taylor looks so enthused. Look how happy she looks.
So excited.
I'm doing the elemental nature one. I'm super excited. It's like the sun's just coming up, so I'm hoping you can see it when in the outside when I want to get pictures. So see you inside.
Place your build print at the top of your station.
We've been waiting a long time for this moment. Welcome.
Hi.
Hello there. You filming? To build this. A lightsaber. Crystal.
What color did you pick? I got a purple.
It's also the part that
Thank
keeps
you.
your hands from being disintegrated. In the boxes in front of you, you will find the lightsaber parts that you have chosen. You have every...
Top is right at the top of it, okay? Top is facing towards me and the bottom is facing you. And you'll take your chassis. Now the top is going to be the top. So you have the top of your crystal.
Ooh, she's in. Which one should I do? This one or this one?
Whichever one you want.
You're going to push the
Whatever
top
feels right in your heart.
Use the force.
Push the bottom.
I like this one.
He has selected.
The hardest part, I promise, is things are a little slippery that you do kind of tricky. This part is facing the top, so the more pointy part.
No one's giving me directions. Ooh, they're low.
Use the force to find out.
It should be like this one.
Inside your plate, soldered the head and welded.
Where did these go? Oh, I see. Okay.
Yes, the copper bits toward the middle, they
Okay.
do go toward the activation plate.
Okay, cool.
And then you can give it a little bit of pressure and a twist.
Cool.
Okay, so
I want this one.
on top of the loose.
I changed my mind.
It's okay. You gotta get it right.
And then you do that same thing with your red. Make sure your red square is on top of your red square.
I like the continuation of the Brylark word.
There we go, perfect. And then it just snaps in together. Just
Now it's your emitter. This is where the blade comes out.
That's a very good sign. All right.
Wait, this is a hard
You're
one.
gonna choose any
It's a
two
tough
of
one.
these grips.
That one piece is very substantial, but that continues the design. So
That's true.
it makes it tough.
Like that way. All right. You're gonna push it in like this. And you're gonna push on the top. Push on it a little.
So now do you continue the design yet again?
No, I
Or
want
you go
this.
for the Rancor
I know what
tooth?
this is, but I want it.
That is a Rancor tooth.
It was awesome.
Flip it over and
And it's very practical as well, because if your emitter, if you go underwater, you still have a tooth you can bite with. Like that, my friend.
Yeah.
You have built the hilt of your lightsaber.
Very nice.
Practice that activation a few times so you get used to it.
going on for you, okay?
If it knows that activation plate is going to burn out.
Ooh, hey, that cinematography.
Both the journey into the circle and out of the circle. So it's an internal journey and an external journey.
Okay.
We have to stabilize your crystals for activation. The gatherers are inserting your lightsaber hilts into the crystal stabilization chamber. This is very dangerous and should only be done by someone with a lot of skill and a lot of training. That made me really nervous right there. Step forward, place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and when I say all together, we will activate. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Then
Yes.
it is time. Step forward. Hands on your sabers and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please deactivate your sabers. Each is unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created.
So before I totally lose my voice because I'm sick as hell, this is so much fun. They don't think so because they don't like
I
Star
like
Wars.
it. I just can't do anything. I have to stand here and watch.
Yeah, the one guest policy is a little, I don't know, I understand it, but at the same time, when you have a group, it's not that fun. So I'm with Caitlin, and she's about to build
Hi.
her BB unit.
I kind of want a purple head. Option one is that thing.
You know, like a purple head.
Is that thing? See, this is why I have you with me, because I don't know what to do. And I think I need something in its head, right?
Yeah.
This thing?
Yeah, it's in the picture. Yeah, it's that thing.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
The only time you need to turn it off is at night and when you travel.
Okay.
Okay? So you can go ahead and take the tape off and start your instructions. If you have any questions, you can press that alert. Just need to find this magnet.
Ooh.
And then the kite comes off and everything too.
name for it yet? Not yet? Not yet.
Give name the app.
Not purple.
I don't want it.
Alright. So when the body moves, the head has to move. This is his voice. These are forward and back. Go ahead. Yeah. You don't have much room to go forward and back.
Yeah, I was about to say, we'll just look at that.
Ooh, he pissed.
So I bought this owl thing because I saw it in the original release pictures. I thought it looked cute. And then I got a red kyber crystal, which ended up not being black. I was trying to scan or flash my light through it to see, because they have them all just sitting out. But the cast member like knew what I was doing. We were talking to her. She said that the black kyber crystals are really not common. She said she had to break character because she said a lot of people ask for it, and I guess do that. They really don't have a lot, so I'm fine with that. I'm gonna try changing the light on my lightsaber and see what it looks like. Droid for like the 50th time. You can easily remove the 2 pieces for your activation plate, and you can take your crystal out. So I'm gonna change it with the red and see how the blade looks. It was changed, and wait, I like how it has a different sound. Thanks for watching, guys. Hot tea.